What is up, guys? Welcome to part 2 of Lara's engine swap. Hopefully this is the last part. I just went to go fetch some parts at my sister's place now. Oh, parts. When I say parts, I mean just the alternator and the dipstick and the covers that go on the front of the torsion bars. But yeah, finally gonna be able to use this. Don't know if I ever showed you guys this, but yeah, I bought it's an OEM fit. It's like, it fits into the stock filter box. Here we go. Canadian filter. For some reason I've just been very excited to use that. Hopefully we get to use it today. Hopefully the car starts today. Yeah, I'm on my way to Uncle Marco right now. And then I'll film when I'm there. So the dash is in, just put it back in, engine is in, gearbox is about power connected already. Look at all the crap rust. And there's a hole that I can hear wind coming through. Another hole that, yeah. There's rust, there. Typical spot. Matthew came to help. And here's a car! What? Oh, you trust me, bro! I'm not even filming it, I'm just looking at it. Oh, my face. Oh, it is. It's very good. It's very good. I'm so excited. What you doing? I'm gonna go do my spot. Do my car. What you doing there? Working at VW because with plastics. But it doesn't creak though. Huh? It doesn't creak. Honda. It's a Honda, baby. We tagged, bitch. Silicone spray. Good for the plastic. And your heart. Much left to be done, guys. What up, beams? It's a dog. It's a green beams. Interior is basically interior is almost fully in. Back seat is out. Back seat is in. Yeah. Engine must just go in now. Engine is already in. Fuck, man. Just the head must go on. Yeah, and Matthew did a bit of a spray paint job there. Thank you for that. No more rust. I was just getting rid of the, like, it didn't look nice. It's gonna eat away anyways. Yeah. But they say if you spray over it, it hides your problems. Huh? What's up, guys? Welcome back. Well, this is the same video. Sorry I'm not posting so much. I actually planned to post a lot more, but also I planned to film a lot more, but I haven't been filming a lot, which I also apologize for. So there's a lot that you guys probably missed out on. I'm not sure, I can't remember what exactly I filmed last, but just a little quick update. When I saw the car, when I saw Lara the last time, the head was on, tappets was set, the tappet cover was on. I think the wiring in the engine bit just needed to be sorted. Some interior bits had to be put back on, the driver's seat had to be put back in. I think the aircon had to be connected and the power steering had to be connected. I'm not exactly sure, but I'm on my way to Uncle Marco right now. Hopefully I leave with the car today. But yeah, that's just the hope. I'm not exactly sure if it will be able to or not. So yeah, but I'll try to film a little bit more for you guys, and especially I want to try to film the startup. That is something I've been actually wanting to film, but if I didn't get to, I didn't get to, because at this point I'm like, I just want my car. I just want to be able to drive my car again. But yeah, I'll catch you guys there. Copies on. Yes, so Kamal's just gonna put the exhaust on now. I'm busy with the interior, obviously. I need to plug that in, I need to plug that in, I actually need to get that also. I need to put all these things back on. That's nothing. But yeah, interior is almost done. Just need to put the driver's seat back in. And I also want to put this in. This is the footrest that goes there. And yeah, guys, yeah. Good fight. Look at this. It's got a Honda logo on, guys. And it goes there. What? There. This just plugs in like so. And then just comes through the dash. The fuck? Why doesn't it come through the dash? So knowingly I was wrong. This comes in from the front. So I have to take this whole flipping cover off again. So reverse. Reverse. Let's just put this between my legs. Let's see. There we go. But I'm gonna plug this bitch in first. So push that little shit through there. You're still filming? Oh my god, look what you're filming. There we go, film that. Normal. There we go. I think my camera's a little bit dirty, but I'm not gonna bother with that for now. You guys can see, can't you? There we go. There we go. And then this cover can go back on. There we go. Complete. Everything lines up. Pattern works. I just need to flip and sort this out. I'm hearing something here. Here's the pump.
Fuel in the fucking car.
Is there fuel in the car?
I just put that 5 liters in the water.
No leaks. Yeah, stripping.
Kom maar nog. Kom maar nog.
Got a bit I'm stressing maybe, but got some petrol. So we're gonna fill that biatch up. It's idling on its own. Well, that's what it sounds like straight from the head is. Matthew, look at this fucking card! It's a fucking card! He's gonna apply it anyway. He's a biatch. I'm joking. A pretty E30. He was just popped. A trip to Cosmic for distributor auto. Hopefully it works. What did I do?
What did we do? Fuck off.
Fuck all, and then that's just starting fine again.
Ayo.
Yeah. Like a fucking idiot. Fucking idling, people. Fucking idling. I just got home from work now, and I wasn't actually planning on ending the video here, but I decided, okay, let's leave it on a good note, or ish. But yeah, so basically we got the car started. We were having issues at the start with it misfiring, and then I went to get petrol because we thought maybe it wasn't enough petrol because it wasn't actually starting at all. Got the petrol. Then we noticed it was misfiring, and then we thought it was the plug leads, which we changed that. Uncle Marco actually gave me a set of original Honda ones, and those are working perfectly fine, so those look nice in there. And then we thought it was the distributor rotor, in which I went to go buy another one, put it in, still didn't do anything, and then we couldn't figure out what the flip. And then I went to go get my other intake manifold so we can take the injectors off there, because we thought maybe it was injectors. Uncle Marco installed the injectors and then figured out that the plugs are different. So put the original injectors back on again, and we did nothing different. Like we didn't change anything besides the rotor and the plug leads. And then Uncle Marco swung it, revved it, and it started. I didn't get that first start with that rev. I got half of it, and then I got the start afterwards where we got it to idle. So yeah, it's idling now. There was a power steering leak, which it also stopped, but obviously the boot was now full, and there's also a water leak, which Uncle Marco thinks is probably going to fix itself, just like the power steering leak. He probably sorted it out by now. Today's Wednesday, so he said he was going to be busy with that in the week. He probably sorted out that power steering. He just needs my old exhaust so that he can weld that knuckle on there onto the old new manifold, branch manifold, whatever. And then yeah, I should get the car back at the end of this week, which will be the next video, which I will make of the final things and me collecting the car. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I don't think I've filmed that much, I can't remember, but it's been like 3 weeks worth of working on the car. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe for more, and I will continue to post more things of my car once I've got it back. I'm extremely tired, so see you guys in the next one. Cheers.